Hey everyone, how is everyone doing today? I am doing great. Look at this cute little wedding album that I have done. I will go through it. Isn't it so cute? I made all the flowers. There we go. And I have new die cuts that I've used. Isn't that so cute? I used my tag-along printable album and I made a wedding design, right? So it's just like the other ones that I've done, but it's just the cool wedding design. And that's so pretty. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And then I've also used and created a ephemera set. Journaling cards, ephemera, tags are all in here. So you get all of this. I think that's so cute. Got coin envelopes, some tickets. I had to. It was a wedding. I had to put a champagne flute in there. Just had to. So you get all these. And with the purchase of the ephemera set, you also get 8 backgrounds for free. This is my gift to you. I figured that you could use these, because this is what I used in order to make my flowers and stuff, or you can trace or whatever. So, I wanted to put that in there. And then I also have a floral monogram, and this is what it looks like, right? I printed it on ivory paper. Isn't that pretty? But this is the one size. There's 2 sizes. These are probably like 4.5 by 5.5, I believe. And you get 4 to a page, right? But then I also made it, and so there's those. So that's the whole shebang. And then, but I also made it individual, where if you wanted to just have the letter, one letter, you can print it out. This might waste a little bit of paper, but I figure, you could use this for something else. This, if you wanted, like, say, 3 E's, that might be wasting more ink, because you'd have to print out the page with the E on it, and then you'd have 3 F, G, and H's that you may never use, So, but there's still an option for that. And then there's also the smaller ones, which are really this size right here. They're 2.5 by 3.5, and again, I've got them where there's 9 on a page, and then I think there's 6 more, something like that. I don't remember. But then I also have an individual in the smaller. So that's the sizes that the small one would be, which is what that one is. That's a small one. So I have that. And then I also created a couple of backgrounds. I have these backgrounds, which these are like with what I had in my vintage background set, but they're just 2 extra colors. And then I have like a wooded, grungy, weathered wood background. So we've got those. Examples of those. And then I also have a floral wooded, and it's got a little bit of script on it, and there's a little bit of floral poking through the weathered wood. So I have that, and this is one set as well. So I've put on my Etsy store 4 items, and they're all, a wedding set. So there's the backgrounds, and then there's the monogram letters, and then the ephemera, and then I've added the wedding template. So off. All of these are on my Etsy store. So with that said, I want to do a giveaway for July. I try to give something away. Either I put some templates or some paper on, or ephemera on my Facebook group, or I actually give away albums, but I always try to give a little something every month. So this month what I want to do is I want to give away this whole wedding set, the printable, not the tangible, not the stuff that you can touch, but the files. So you'll get the tag along, you'll get the ephemera set, you'll get the monogram letters, and you'll get the backgrounds. And all you have to do in order to qualify is be a subscriber to my channel and leave a comment down below. And then on July 31st, I will pick a comment randomly with the app, and we'll see who wins all this good wedding set yummies, right? So, and I also will have a sale going on. The code will be right here. It's for 40% off, and it will last the whole week. So, be looking for that. All right, then let's take a look at the Cutie Pie little album, shall we? Let's do it. So I'll try to make it really fast. This video is already getting long. All right, so we've got the front, and I used just a ribbon closure. So we open it up, and we got a cute little belly band, and we have, that's part of the ephemera set right there. And then we pull this out, and again, part of the ephemera set. And then we come over here, and uh-oh, I have to glue you back on. Where did you come from? I don't know where he came from. Oh, he came right there. Okay, well, I'm going to have to glue that back on. But, yeah, so we've got this with a little card in here. Isn't that cute? Let's glue that back on. And there is a little insert there. Cute. And then over here we have the little belly band. Glue that too. Moved. And if we open it up, we've got the coin, little coin purse, or not purse, but coin envelope. Oh, I should put something in there. Oops, forgot to do that. Okay, need to do that. So we've got that. And then we have, if you flip this up, we have this cute, look at that cute little tag. And then we have this cute little window. Yep, part of my ephemera set there as well. This is part of the paper line. I used a Love Story. And then we have a tag for this insert. And if we come over here, oh, look at the cute little doors. But they're pockets. I made them little pockets this time. And they've got a little bit of the ephemera from my ephemera set in here. Cute. And if you open it up, then we've got this little coin purse. Got a little bow on it. And then we have this cute little insert. I just loved this paper right there. I thought it was so cute. And then again, a little flower in an oval shape. That's from one of my new die that I got. Love it. I think it's sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay. Alrighty, and then if we come over here, we have this cutie pie. It's a little pocket, and then if you flip it open, I've got the little ephemera set, again from my ephemera. This is from the paper line, but what it's on is from my ephemera. I love it. Love it. Oh, and then look at this cute little. Isn't that cute? I just love it. Oh, I love it. I love this album. It's actually for a friend of ours. Their daughter are lifelong friends. We've known them forever. Their daughter is getting married, so this is for her. So, but she'll have it before the video comes out. So, and then I did this little insert. Okay, get in there, buddy. Isn't that cute? I just love that. Okay. And then, if we flip this open over here, we have a tag. Did I show that? But we have this tag. I love this paper. I love it, love it, love it. So, so, so much. Yes. No, that's not where. Okay. Oh, yeah. Did I show that? That's where my ephemera set. I might have. I don't know. I'm getting myself confused. Okay. And then, I just showed that. Okay, and then, oh, look at this over here. Isn't this adorable? Alright, so this is an accordion. I almost did not do an accordion because the last couple of times that I've done one for the tag-along, it seemed to bulk it up. But I figured out how to do it, and so I went ahead. And again, this is from the, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love that, love that, love that. Love that. And then we get on this page, we have another belly band, and then we have this pocket. And again, this is my ephemera set. And over here, cute little ephemera set. So those are from my ephemera set. I love that too. Oh, and then we have an insert. And again, the little flowers I made. I love making the flowers. I do. I really love making flowers. And then I put a top pocket here. And we've got an insert there. Right. And then if we open it up, I made a little journal for her to maybe write down things for the first year of marriage, you know. That was sweet. And there's their initial again. So that's my monogram, the bigger one of that. It goes in better if you put it in this way. And then over here, I just could not resist the champagne flutes. I just love them. And then we have a pocket here. And then we have this cute little insert. Isn't that cute? Again, this is my ephemera. And I thick embossed that. And then close it. Then in here, I created, these are from my ephemera set as well. They're little tags. Well, you can make them into tags, and that's what I did. And then I've got the a little charm on there, a little heart with wings charm. Isn't that cute? And so those can go right into there. And that is it for the book. Isn't it adorable? I just love, love, love this book. I love it. Oh, I'm like, why is this not snapping shut? It should. It's because of the journal, but that's okay. All right, so there we go. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, I showed, because I have another little coin envelope. I didn't know if I showed that or not. All right, so there it is. Isn't it adorable? I just love it. And there's the spine, and then the back, and back cover. I don't know if y'all saw that. So that is it. Isn't it adorable? Oh, I love it. I hope she's going to enjoy it. I think she will. She is young, so she might not even know what it's for. Because, you know, people don't. But I'm sure, you know, she'll have her wedding pictures printed out. So they will be good. They'll look pretty in here. So that's it. So, well, I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Please stick around for the videos. They should not be too awfully long. I've not edited them yet. But I tried to make it where everything was cut out and everything was ready to go, and so it shouldn't be too long of videos in order and how I created the album. So there you go. All right, so if you are interested in trying to win the whole set, please leave a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe, and check out my Facebook group page as well. Sometimes I put goodies on there that are for free, so you never know what you might find on there. All right, y'all. And don't forget, there's a sale going on too, so use that 40% off coupon. I'll put it down here again for you. All right, everyone, check out the links down below. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Please subscribe if you've not already subscribed, and if you have, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, though, so you'll be notified for every time that a video comes up. All right, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
you.